Learners, welcome to my online class. This is Atiyar Rahman, assistant teacher of Daffodils High School, Moitpara, Duhar, Dhaka. Today I am going to give you an online class about completing sentence. So at first we have to know about completing sentence. You will be given an incomplete sentence and you will be asked to complete the sentence. So there are use some special devices in a completing sentence. We can complete the sentence by using clause, phrases, or even a single word. Okay, there are some devices that is used in the sentences. For example, 2 This structure is used in a simple sentence. Though the structure is affirmative, it gives negative expressions. Okay, let's see how we can complete the sentence. You can complete the sentence by using to infinitive. The man is too old. লোকটা এত বৃদ্ধ যে to work কাজ করতে পারে না। লোকটা এত বৃদ্ধ যে কাজ করতে পারে না। That means the man is old enough to do something. মানুষটা লোকটি এত বৃদ্ধ যে কোনো কাজ করতে পারে না। Okay, now we can see the second examples. So that or in order that. So that or in order that. These devices are used in a complex sentence. The sentence which begins with so that or in order that is a subordinate clause, and the subordinate clause follows some special structures. In order that or so that is followed by subject plus modal auxiliary can, could, may, might. Okay, the boy reads more so that he can make a good result. ছেলেটি বেশি পড়ে এই জন্য যে যাতে সে একটা ভালো রেজাল্ট করতে পারে। The subordinate clause is purpose of the main clause. Okay, let's see the third example. Here the special device lest is used, and the word lest itself is a negative word. We should not use negative structures after lest, and lest is followed by subject should plus infinitive. That means সে দ্রুত হাঁটলো এই ভয়ে যে সে যাতে ট্রেনটি মিস না করে। So Here we see that list is followed by subject should plus infinitive. Okay, come to the fourth example. Though, although. This is devices are used in complex sentence. The clause beginning with though, although is subordinate clause and it is followed by main clause, which gives a contrast idea to the subordinate clause. For example, though he is poor, যদিও সে গরিব, he is honest. যদিও সে গরিব, তারপরে সে সৎ। The two clauses are contrast to each other. অর্থাৎ একজন লোক গরিব হলে সাধারণত তার টাকা পয়সার সমস্যা থাকে, সে সৎ নাও হতে পারে, তারপরেও সে সৎ হবে। I hope all of you have understood what I have discussed today. Dear learners, you should stay homes because the transmission of coronavirus is increasing rapidly. So I urged all of you to stay home, wear masks and use hand sanitizer frequently. No more today. We will discuss completing sentence in another class. Okay, goodbye.